With the coming of spring, we start switching our heating and air units from heat to cool. It's time to schedule that biannual maintenance. Have your local HVAC company come out and check your home. Take a walk outside. Check your windows, your screens, your gutters. Make sure your gutters and your downspouts are flowing free. Make plans for those spring flower beds while you're out walking around. Decide if you need to do some power washing and get rid of that winter ick. You might want to check out your grill as well to see that you're ready for your spring and summer barbecue. Check all the doors to make sure that they open and close freely. Spring is the best time of year to check on these maintenance items before everything is in full bloom.